man, I've done a lot of drugs. Can I drop this verbal bomb in your thought processes right now? Because the DWP, down with people, down with personal suggestions. DWPS, who gives a fuck? We need to get the rhyming back into the time. Get the origami out of my sick swine thoughts. Come through, you know. I'm pure dyslexic with the complication of just loving the journeys of vacation. Can Nikolai Fox own this track? Within an anthem of least. Sitting here, pulsating. I'm stoned. Must mean my heart's all flow.